I am giving this puppet life. And she doesn't have any eyebrows, but yet there's a look. There is breath.
ये जो मटेरियल है ये आप खुद डिज़ाइन करते हैं या फिर इसके एक्सप्रेशन कैसे बना, जैसे अभी आप एक्सप्लेन कर रहे थे कि उसकी पुतली प्यूपिल नहीं है, उसकी ब्राउज नहीं है.
And it is not a very animated face, but through that neutral face, how can I make her, if I do things like this, it will be different. But in this story, she's always in this mood. And there are two puppets, Ranja as well in that. So this was also made by Puran Bhatt, a traditional puppeteer, by the way. Mask pehna jata hai. And so I would have bigger movement. And I would have a costume.
How this becomes a character in your play?
So this is from Heer Ranja. Same puppets were actually dressed differently and they came into the Bismil song in Haidar. The has eyes but no pupils, and that's what makes it alive. So ये main चीज़ है puppetry में. How do you make the puppet come alive? I don't just shake it.
सबसे ज़्यादा चैलेंजिंग एक्सप्रेशन देना आपको कौन सा लगा है?
My puppets are not so. They don't do this. They don't do this. My puppets move like this. This is my style.
बहुत स्मूथ मूवमेंट
Yeah,
है.
और they emote. जो उनके emotions है, उसके जो सांस लेते हैं, उससे जान आती है मेरे puppets में. Even with this, he's more this, but he can also be this. He can also be sad, though it's clown.
और शो के अलावा आप लोग क्रिएट थिएटर में इसका परफॉर्मेंस देते हैं, उसके अलावा स्कूलों में भी बच्चों के सामने भी वर्कशॉप्स भी मेरे ख्याल से आप लोग जा कर के देते हैं.
Unfortunately, in India, we have not explored it as much as some other countries have done it. हम हमेशा बोलते रहे हैं कि puppetry is a very good medium and it's very good to connect with children, blah blah blah. But
जो पपेटियर है यानी जो उसको होल्ड कर रहा है, कैसे आप समझाते हैं कि इस कैरेक्टर की अंडरस्टैंडिंग कैसे हो?
you will see maybe a Shah Rukh Khan on stage. आप पहले शाहरुख खान को देखोगे, उसके बाद you will say कि this character he did very nicely. Puppet में that is not there. Puppet speaks directly to you. Puppet बोल भी सकता है चीज़ें जो human being will not be able to say.
आपने ये आर्ट कैसे सीखा?
Now see what I'm doing. This is the essence of puppetry, what I'm showing you now. Now watch how the puppet moves, where the puppet's looking at, क्या जान है उसमें, क्या कहने जा रहे हम.
Brought to you by ITEL and Sensodyne K.
कक्षा 5वीं या 6वीं में मैं रही होंगी तो दूरदर्शन पर शो आते थे बहुत सारे. हालांकि मेरे भाई मुझे बहुत सारे शो देखने नहीं देता था, वो अपने लिए कार्टून के मार पीट वाले सारे शोज़ लगाता था. मुझे लगता था कि मैं क्या देखूंगी, मैं इनसे रिलेट नहीं कर पा रही हूँ. फिर एक शो रिलीज़ हुआ, गली गली सिम सिम. बहुत ही सुंदर सुंदर से कैरेक्टर्स थे, उसका एक बहुत ही सुंदर सा गाना आया, जिंगल आया, गली गली सिम सिम, और वो हमारी ज़बान पे बैठ गया. लड़ाई होती रही लेकिन फिर भी मैंने अपने आप को स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाते हुए वो टाइम निकाल लिया कि मुझे ये शो देखना है. क्यों? क्योंकि वो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग सा था. पपेट्स थे, यूज़ करते थे, कोई इंसान नहीं था, अलग अलग कैरेक्टर, सब एक अलग अलग तरीके की पर्सनालिटी को शो कर रहे हैं. और मेरे लिए वो बहुत सूदिंग एक्सपीरियंस होता था, ऐसा मार काट वाला नहीं होता था. फिर करीबन 2-3 साल के बाद मैं स्कूल गई तो टीचर्स डे का प्रोग्राम था. टीचर्स डे में मुझे सीनियर्स ने आके कहा कि तुम्हें इस गाने पर डांस करना है. गाना था मैंने पायलें छनकाई. गाना तो नॉर्मल है, फाल्गुनी पाठक का जो गाना है, लेकिन उसमें जो चंक मुझे प्ले करने के लिए कहा गया वो पर्टिकुलरली वो हिस्सा था जिसमें वो कठपुतली के साथ डांस करते हैं। मैंने और मेरी फ्रेंड ने बहुत खुशी से कहा कि हाँ ये वाला पार्ट तो हम करेंगे। मैंने कहा भाई तू चिंता मत कर, मैंने देखा हुआ है कि कैसे पपेट्स करते हैं, एक्शन करते हैं, हम सीख लेंगे। और हमने बहुत ही ज़्यादा इंजॉय करके उस पूरे स्निपेट को किया। 6th क्लास भी था, उसके बाद से धीरे धीरे पढ़ाई में हम व्यस्त होते गए, लेकिन वो जो कठपुतलियों के साथ, जो शो के साथ हमारा एक अटैचमेंट था, जो रेगुलर डे टू डे बेसिस पर हम देख रहे थे, वो शायद मेरी ज़िंदगी से कहीं गायब होते गया। जीवन की भागदौड़ में मैं भी नहीं नोटिस कर पाई कि वो कहाँ छूट गए, वो पपेट, वो कठपुतलियाँ। फिर अचानक से 2014 में एक फिल्म आई हैदर, उसमें गाना था बिस्मिल। उसमें बहुत ही सरप्राइजिंगली एक बहुत बड़े बड़े पपेट्स, जो मेरी उम्मीद, जो मेरे बचपन की पपेट की हिस्ट्री थी, इमेज थी, उससे काफ़ी उलट इतने बड़े बड़े पपेट्स थे। मुझे बताया गया कि ये एक मॉडर्न तकनीक है जिसमें हम जो पुराने पपेट्स देखते हैं उनका इम्प्रोवाइज्ड वर्जन है, उनको हम नए टेक्निक्स उसमें ऐड किए गए हैं, वो भी लेकिन पपेटिंग है। मेरे लिए जर्नी बहुत ही शॉकिंग भी थी, सरप्राइजिंग भी थी और थोड़ी सी इंटरेस्ट जगाने वाली भी थी। मुझे लगा कि इंसानों के साथ साथ पपेट की भी एक जर्नी चली है। और आज अचानक से जब हम लोग के गेस्ट इन द न्यूज़ रूम में गेस्ट को लाने की बात हो रही थी, तो एक नाम आया कि उनको क्यों ना बुलाया जाए, क्योंकि वो एक ऐसा काम कर रहे हैं जो पपेट को सिर्फ एक ट्रेडिशनल फोक आर्ट से हटा करके एक इंडियन कल्चर की तरह प्रमोट कर रहे हैं, सिर्फ इंडियन फ्रंट पे नहीं, इंटरनेशनल लेवल पर। उनका जो ट्रस्ट है उसका नाम है इशारा पपेट थिएटर। उसके ज़रिए वो पपेट्स का इस्तेमाल करके लोगों को अलग अलग तरीके की कहानियाँ सुना रहे हैं, बता रहे हैं। उनके इस कंट्रीब्यूशन के लिए उनको पद्मश्री पुरस्कार भी मिल चुका है, संगीत नाटक अकेडमी भी से भी नवाजा जा चुका है। उनका नाम है दादी पदम जी। सर आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है गेस्ट इन द न्यूज़ रूम में।
थैंक यू।
SLS और paraben gone, तो
उसका करंट ऑन।
what then?
इसके पोटेशियम आयंस करें टूट का करंट गॉन, लाइव का करंट ऑन।
सबसे पहले मैं आपके नाम का मीनिंग पूछना चाहती हूँ, क्योंकि बहुत देर से मेरे दिमाग में ये गूंज रहा था कि मैं पपेट के बारे में बात करूंगी।
ये बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन है। आपके स्टूडियो में मेरी कॉम का कोई भी आया है पहले? मैं कहाँ से हूँ? मैं कहाँ से हूँ? मेरी कॉम क्या है? पारसी ज़ोरेस्ट्रियंस है, और आई थिंक दुनिया में सबसे छोटी कौम है अभी, एंड वी ओनली अबाउट 53,000 लेफ्ट नाउ इन इंडिया. Okay, migration has happened a lot, but originally in whatever century migrated from Iran and the original Persian religion, and they did not convert, and then they came, they landed in Gujarat, and they were called Parsis. क्यों पारसी? क्योंकि फारस भाषा, फर्ज इज पर्शिया, और गुजरात में पहुँचे, और हमारी अभी मातृभाषा जो है वो गुजराती है, पारसी गुजराती है स्लाइटली. फ्रॉम गुजरात दे वेंट इनटू महाराष्ट्र, बॉम्बे, थिंग्स लाइक दैट. सो देयर वर नो सरनेम्स इन द पारसी. प्रोफेशन से आपके फैमिली नाम आया पहले, बिकॉज द ब्रिटिशर्स वांटेड द नेम. सो देयर इज दारू वाला, जिन वाला, सोडा वाटर, you know, all these. Padamji came because some ancestor shifting priest from Navsari to Pune, and on his foot there was a mark, and it was a padam on my foot. Okay, very dangerous at times, but that is why the name came Padamji. And Dadi is, there is a big problem, क्योंकि मैं दिल्ली में जब आया, when they say Dadi, you know, Dadi is coming, they think there is an elderly woman, grandmother coming, but you see a bearded guy coming. But it's a short form of Dada Bhai. So वहाँ से दादी हुआ. The grandfather was Dada Bhai, and they couldn't have two Dada Bhais in the house, so it became Dadi. So Dadi is the name. That is all.
Okay, very interesting. मुझे जो पपेट्स, मेरे जो शुरुआती हिस्ट्री रही है, जो फर्स्ट इंट्रोडक्शन जिसको बोलते हैं, मेरे लिए वो वही पपेट रहे हैं जो इशारों से नचाते हैं, धागे से नचाते हैं. बट जो मैं यहाँ पर देख रही हूँ, ऐसा लग रहा है कि वो भी बड़े हो गए हैं. आपके लिए कब इंट्रोडक्शन था, फर्स्ट आपका सामना कब हुआ था?
जी, आपने जो देखिए, आपने दो शब्द अब यूज़ किए, पपेट भी यूज़ किया है और हिंदी में कठपुतली भी किया है. सो यहाँ थोड़ा बहुत एक गैप आता है, क्योंकि कठपुतली या काठ की पुतली इज़ ओनली फ्रॉम राजस्थान. Okay, and because of Hindi belt, we call all puppets Kathputli. But you have Tolu Bomalatam in Andhra Pradesh, you have Danger Putul or Tarer Putul or whatever Bengal में है. So अलग-अलग नाम है puppets के हमारी भाषा में, and luckily we have that many languages. So generic term puppet अंग्रेजी में puppet है, but it encompasses अलग-अलग टेक्निक्स मतलब कि जिस रीत से आप पपेट को चला रहे हैं. आजकल एनिमेट्रॉनिक्स भी है, बहुत सारी चीज़ें, बट सब समझो में 4 मुख्य टेक्निक है. धागे से जो चलती है ऊपर से, हाथ में जो दस्ताने पुतलू या गव पपेट्स है, शैडो पपेट्स है, छाया पुतुल है, रॉड पपेट्स है. सो ये 4 है. आपने जो गली गली सिमसिम का मपेट्स है, मपेट शो है, माउथ एंड हैंड पपेट, ये 1950s में जिम हेंसन करके जो थे महान एक पपेटियर जो पूरी दुनिया में फेमस है बिकॉज ऑफ पपेट्स फॉर television, close up and speaking. So that became his thing. Though table tennis ball on his hand and he used to move it, and that became Muppets. But बहुत ही what you make for TV or you make for film और अलग किस्म के पपेट है. उनके मटेरियल अलग होते हैं, उनके चलाने की रीत अलग होती है. हमारा ज़्यादा स्टेज से है. इशारा में हम एक मेल करते हैं. puppets are not in an ends in themselves. मतलब सब कुछ नहीं है puppets के साथ एक्टर्स है, मास्क है, म्यूज़िक, डांस, इस तरह से कहानी कही जाती है. That's what.
और कब आपके जहन में आया कि आप इसको, जो आपको देख के अच्छा लग रहा है, इंटरेस्टिंग लग रहा है, जो आप एंजॉय कर रहे हैं, इसको आप प्रोफेशन बना सकते हैं?
Sorry, again.
इसको प्रोफेशन बनाने का ख्याल कब आया आपके मन में?
आपने क्यों ये प्रोफेशन लिया है?
मुझे लगता था कि मैं एंजॉय करूंगी इस काम को.
और दूसरे आपके पीछे सब बैठे हैं, वो कुछ ज़बरदस्ती से तो नहीं आए हैं शायद, आइदर इकोनॉमिक और इंटरेस्ट वॉट एवर. मेरा जो घर है, होम टाउन है, मैं दिल्ली में रहता हूँ अभी सिंस 1980, बट माई होम टाउन इज़ पुणे नाउ. और थ्रू स्कूल कॉलेज हॉबी थी पपेट्री. और आफ्टर कॉलेज ग्रेजुएटिंग आई वेंट to Ahmedabad, NID, National Institute of Design, to study, because puppetry as a profession, my God, how can you do it? But graphic design or visual communication, still acceptable. So NID and Ahmedabad में एक संस्था है जो मृणालिनी साराभाई ने शुरू की थी, दर्पणा परफॉर्मिंग आर्ट्स एकेडमी. आज मलिका साराभाई चला रही है वो. उसमें एक पपेट सेक्शन था जो मेयर कॉन्ट्रैक्टर जो टीचर थी, they've all passed on. और वहाँ शाम को puppetry became more formalized. वहाँ से I was working with mostly string whatever, और वहाँ से थोड़ा सा ओपन हो गया ये कि puppets क्या है. अलग अलग किस्म के हमारे भारत में 8 स्टेट्स है जिसमें puppetry, ट्रेडिशनल puppetry अभी भी जीवित है. राजस्थान, क्योंकि यहाँ सब जाते हैं, फिर उड़ीसा, ओडिशा, बंगाल, आसाम, देन यू गो साउथ, महाराष्ट्र, तमिलनाडु, केरला, आंध्र प्रदेश, कर्नाटका, ऑल ऑफ देम हैव ट्रेडिशनल. मॉडर्न पपेट्स जो आप कहते हैं या आधुनिक, आई डोंट नो व्हाई मॉडर्न, बट ये मोस्टली अर्बन बेस्ड है. सो दिल्ली, कलकत्ता, अहमदाबाद, Chennai, artists are mostly urban based.
I'm sorry, but ये स्टेट वाइज डिफरेंशिएशन क्यों? मतलब जब हम अर्बन आप कह रहे हैं तो आपने उन स्टेट्स का नाम लिया, और जब ट्रेडिशनल बात की तो उन 8 स्टेट्स की बात की. क्या स्टेट वाइज, क्या ऑडियंस में डिफरेंस है? क्यों अर्बन उन दूसरे स्टेट्स में हम लोगों ने को इजाद करना पड़ा या बनाना पड़ा?
Audience is an audience, but भाषा अलग होगी. Traditional puppets have mostly epic stories. आप साउथ जाइए, उड़ीसा से नीचे जाए तो फिर एपिक्स, महाभारत, रामायण है. और राजस्थान में ज़्यादा गाथा है, अमर सिंह राठौड़ है. और बंगाल में मैनी ऑफ द परफॉर्मेंसेज आर बेस्ड ऑन यात्रा स्टोरीज. सो डिपेंड्स ऑन दैट. इनकी जो आप ट्रेडिशनल जो कह रहे हैं तो जेनरेशनल पपेटियर्स है, मतलब कि बाप दादा से काम आया है. देयर इज नोबडी इन माय फैमिली हु इज अ पपेटियर, दे आर ऑल पेपर मेकर्स. सो इट the modern puppeteer or contemporary puppeteer कि उनकी जो भाषा है और जो उनकी जो कहानियाँ है is what affects them. So you have Gully Gully Sim Sim is a learning program. You have Gustaki Naaf is a political satire, and that comes actually from the UK of Spitting Image, which had very dark humor. So in fact, it's like a न्यूज़पेपर कार्टून इन 3D यू विल सी. सो अलग रीत से इस्तेमाल करते हैं. इशारा में हम जो काम कर रहे हैं वो एक्लेक्टिक कहानियाँ है, फोक टेल्स है, बट अलग रीत से, या मटेरियल्स अलग है, अलग टाइप के पपेट्स है. आप पूछोगे तो मैं बताऊंगा आपको कैसे चल रहा है. सो दैट्स व्हाट, बट लेट्स गो अहेड एंड देन.
जो प्ले आप करते हैं, अलग अलग थीम होती है, कहानियाँ होती हैं, मैं इमेजिन कैसे वो एग्जीक्यूट कैसे होता है, लाइक हाउ दिस बिकम्स अ कैरेक्टर इन योर प्ले, कैसे काम करते हैं ये सारी चीज़ें.
The character gets designed from what theme. Now this figure, it's almost about more than 10-12 years ago, जो it's from the हीर रांझा की कहानी से है, but our story was हीर के वारिस. और we were talking about what you see in the newspaper, Khap Panchayat, female infanticide, land problems, and then I was talking with Mahip Singh, who is today a stand-up comedian, but he sex, and we said to get the original Waris Shah and these other Bulleh Shah texts of Heer Ranjha, and 18th century texts had exactly the same things which were happening today, right from family things, social barriers, division of land in family, religious problems, all this was there. So we said, how can we portray this story? So the two, girl and boy, जो लड़के लड़की साइकिल पर they're going to a dargah and tying a string. And the darvish says कि क्या कर रहे हो? He says, bless us, हमारा प्यार के लिए सच्चा प्यार. The darvish says, there's nothing like pure love. You are not here and you're not Ranjha. Who is that? When he says, who is that? जब वो puppets take over, and the today's actor girl will hold the puppet and start moving the puppet, and the boy goes. And then again it comes to the girl's sister who was done away with because she went with some other guy. And Heer also has been poisoned by her own mother because she, fell in love with Ranjha, and so all this. So this is from Heer Ranjha. Same puppets were actually dressed differently, and they came into the Bismil song in Haidar. So they were same, but this is a rod puppet. इसमें actually दो जन चलाते हैं puppet. So it is, I'm holding the main head, and then other person would hold this hand, move it. So the puppet comes alive. And if you notice, puppet जो सच है, human being है, but archetype है. It's not flesh and blood. And so the has eyes, but no pupils, and that's what makes it alive.
Oh. ये बहुत लाइवली लग रहा है सब. मैं भूल गई हूँ कि इट्स अ पपेट.
सो ये मेन चीज़ है पपेट्री में, जो ट्रेडिशनल है या धागे वाली है या जो भी है. हाउ डू यू मेक द पपेट कम अलाइव? आई डोंट जस्ट शेक इट. इट्स लिटिल लेस इज मोर. सो and the puppet is made according to the character. Of course, two people behind the puppet working it. Ji. And puppet is not real. So the puppet can do many things which the human being cannot do maybe. So it's an objective form of theatre. I don't know how you would say in Hindi, objective. Subjective would be flesh and blood, the actor. I am flesh and blood, you are flesh and blood. So that is where इसमें एक चीज़ ये जो है कि puppet का जो पावर कहते हैं, जो खींच है, बिकॉज इट्स अ डेड ऑब्जेक्ट, बेजान चीज़ है, उसमें हम जान डालते. दिस इज़ व्हाट पपेट्री इज़ अबाउट इनएनिमेट एंड एनिमेट. तो उसको चलाना है. अभी इट इज़ ट्रेडिशनल वे और न्यू वे और मॉडर्न वे और वट एवर यू वॉन्ट टू कॉल इट. बेसिकली मूवमेंट. Animatronics also at the end of the line has one, sometimes a human being. He's putting on some tabs or on the computer or cells, whatever. So, आखिरी में he is also a puppeteer. So, depends on how you want to use it. Yeah.
और ये मेरे ख्याल से जो भी
इसमें
आपने
एक और चीज़ें हैं जो हिंदी में आई डो नॉट नो हाउ टू विलिंग सस्पेंशन ऑफ डिसबिलीफ.
ओके.
क्या बोलोगे? For 5 seconds, I am working the puppet. You see me behind the puppet. We are moving with the puppet, but the puppet draws your attention. Willing suspension of disbelief.
दैट वॉज गोइंग टू बी माई नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन.
Yeah.
कि जब आपने ये उठाया तो मेरा फोकस ये था कि आप वो पर्सन होंगे जो इसको मूव करेंगे, बट द मोमेंट आपने उसके अंदर मूवमेंट भरा, मेरा पूरा का पूरा फोकस उसके ऊपर शिफ्ट हो गया. इवन दो आप पूरे के पूरे वहाँ खड़े थे,
Focus.
मेरे लिए मेन कैरेक्टर वो था. ये कैसे होता है? और ये पूरे प्ले में
Okay, अब देख लीजिए. This is a subjective when जब एक एक्टर, ह्यूमन एक्टर इज ऑन स्टेज, हम उसको सब्जेक्टिव हमारे भाषा में, पपेट्री भाषा में, बिकॉज ही इज फ्लैश एंड ब्लड. यू आर फ्लैश एंड ब्लड, ही इज सब्जेक्ट. दिस इज एन ऑब्जेक्टिव थिंग. दर्पण, इट्स हट के जो मतलब चीज़ है. अब देख लीजिए, मेरा फोकस इस पपेट पे है, सो आप भी उसको यहाँ देखोगे, राइट? जैसे मेरी आंखें आपको चलाएंगे और ये चलाऊंगा तो आप मुझे देखोगे. यू सी, दिस इज व्हाट. So I have to try and limit myself to make a wall here without any emotion, but I can also play a character with this puppet if I have to. So that is what in Ishara we do a lot, playing between real, unreal, you know, between archetype. So, and she doesn't have any eyebrows, but yet there's a look, there is breath. Okay, so.
आपने ये आर्ट कैसे सीखा? मतलब कैसे सीखा कि उसमें जान कैसे भरेंगे, एक ऑब्जेक्ट है, या फिर उसको कैसा लुक अलाइव लगाना है?
But that is the ABCD. I mean, when I'm doing puppetry, I will sketch. A good puppeteer will always first be able to make a mood board or even a storyboard or whatever, or draw the character. Aiste aiste, you know what you want to do. So if it's one person directing, I know and I will do it. But if it's a group working, as in this or in Rumi, then there are many inputs. So each person has to, I mean, eventually there is a director. Okay. So what is the idea of Rumi that we are doing? If I'm directing it, I have a certain idea I want to put across. Next production is the most challenging one जो हम कर रहे हैं, is on Amrita Shergill, the artist. Amrita Shergill lived only 28 years between 2 world wars before partition, lived a very liberal life, had many affairs with many people, died, painted, came with Hungary, Lahore, undivided India, Shimla, Italy, Florence, she studied in and came, and her life story, किस तरह हम उसको, not a biography like ye hua, that is not the idea, but how in an artistic way we can talk about how did Amrita's mother and Shergill meet, Punjab and Hungary. How can I do that with music or with objects? आप एक ऑब्जेक्ट को भी कुछ लेके उसे मूव करोगे तो that also becomes a puppet. This is a challenge. Okay, and we are not going to talk about her pride, because the problem in Amrita is that because she was a woman, everybody will talk about what she did and why she did. But they won't talk to the man, Tagore or any other one who also had a very interesting life, and they won't say, but with Amrita, they will, you know, lots of
Stories.
Everybody's version. और आप उनकी letters जो पढ़ते हैं, हम जो कर रहे हैं, तो it's amazing कि she's born in 1913. 1920, 1930 is a young girl writing letters. The language is very mature. It's like a 30, 40-year-old person writing. So there must be something, how she lived her life. So अब क्यों कर रहे हैं हम puppets के साथ या कठपुतली या जो भी है, और किस तरह कहानी करेंगे? For first time, it's a big challenge, even for me. How are we going to do it? But lots of music of that period, you know, where she lived, what she did, and questions why she did what she liked. So this.
ये जो मुझे दिख रहे हैं, मैं पपेट ही इन्हें बोलेंगे ना?
जी।
हाँ, ये जो मटेरियल है ये आप खुद डिज़ाइन करते हैं या फिर इसके एक्सप्रेशन कैसे बना? जैसे अभी आप एक्सप्लेन कर रहे थे कि उसकी पुतली प्यूपिल नहीं है, उसके ब्राउज़ नहीं है, लेकिन कैसे फिर भी हम वो जिस्ट ला पाते हैं कि वो ह्यूमन से रिलेटेड लगता है?
According to character जो हम बना रहे हैं, my version of हीर was this. Maybe it is not, and it is not a very animated face. It's still very neutral, slight smile, but it's not got too much character, as in nothing like that. It's a very neutral face. But through that neutral face, how can I make her? If I do things like this, it will be different. But in this story, she's always in this mood. And there are two puppets, Ranja as well in that. So, and bronze gold figure because we didn't want a realistic. हम अंग्रेजी में archetype कहते हैं इसको. So inner voice, outer voice, like that. So, and it's designed accordingly to your each plays, and वो जो clown figure था. It's not here. It won't move like this. It will be moving in a different way. या तो ये जो mask है. This was also made by Puran Bhatt, a traditional puppeteer, by the way.
Okay.
And long ago, Anokhe Vastra, Emperor's New Clothes, अब तक चल रहा है ये show. It was made in 1987. And playback text, the Emperor's, the Raja who's Emperor and he has no clothes. अब जो weavers आते हैं उसको बना जाते हैं कि you got the best clothes, and everybody who's intelligent can only see that there is nothing there. So it's a story which comes through many political genres. Every time we do it, it's very topical, the story. And this is with masks and actors. So the mask is worn. Mask pehna jata hai. And the human being becomes the... So I would have bigger movements. And I would have a costume. Right? Yeah.
तो जो बॉडी होती है वो इसी हेड के प्रोपोर्शन में होगी या फिर
जरूरी नहीं है, ये नहीं है हेड की प्रोपोर्शन में. No, it's not. So that depends on your design.
ओके
It's not human being, na? Such इंसान नहीं है. So it's like that. This is more or less proportions, but not. That's something different. So it depends.
आपकी जर्नी कैसी रही है अभी तक इंटरनेशनल लेवल पर पपेट आर्ट को ले जाने में, लोगों के बीच में कैसे एक डिफरेंट एक्सपीरियंस मिले हैं? बाहर ये कल्चर कैसा है? हाउ डिफरेंट इट इज़ इन इंडिया?
I think the international thing came because of my teacher, Mayor Contractor, or introduction to UNIMA. UNIMA is the World Puppet Organization, Union International de la Marionnette. I was the first non-European president of this thing for almost 8 or 9 years, this organization. And उसमें एक इंटरेक्शन मिली जो फेस्टिवल्स, आर्टिस्ट, डायरेक्टर्स, पपेट्स, 1972 में शार्लेविल मेजियर में जहाँ यूनिमा की हेडक्वार्टर्स है, दैट इज़ द मेन center for UNIMA, okay, in France. 92 countries are member. India also is there, Bharatiya Putli Sangh, UNIMA. और वहाँ first festival which I saw, 72, opened my mind to puppetry, because puppetry was not this. बहुत सारी चीज़ें थी puppetry में, और वहाँ से चला आया है. और इशारा also runs the only main annual इंटरनेशनल पपेट फेस्टिवल. नेक्स्ट फेब्रुअरी अगले साल में 21वां फेस्टिवल होगा इन दिल्ली. एंड ग्रुप्स गो टू जयपुर, दे यूज्ड टू गो टू चेन्नई अर्लियर, दे यूज्ड टू गो टू चंडीगढ़. 7-8 अलग अलग इंटरनेशनल ग्रुप्स आते हैं और परफॉर्मेंसेस होती है दिल्ली में.
और कैसा ऑडियंस के तौर पर एक्सपीरियंस, आपको ऑडियंस में किस किस तरीके के चेंजेस देखने को मिले हैं ओवर द इयर्स?
Now that is not an easy question. What again?
ऑडियंस, जब से आपने ये शुरू किया है एज अ पपेट थिएटर में शो दिखाना, आर्ट दिखाना, आपने वो ऑडियंस के अंदर भी चेंजेस देखे होंगे, देयर फीडबैक, देयर रिएक्शंस, जैसे वो परसीव कर रहे हैं. कैसे चेंजेस अभी तक देखने को मिले हैं? क्या अब नेगेटिव से पॉजिटिव जा रहा है या पॉजिटिव से नेगेटिव जा रहा है?
Audiences change, but how you आप कैसे के आप if you are true to yourself or your what you are doing, your audience is there. आप you can play to the audience जो हम कहते हैं. Okay, a commercial film will play because the audience likes this. You will do that, but यहाँ प्रॉब्लम आ रही है इवन विद सम ऑफ द ट्रेडिशनल पपेटियर्स. उनके गांव में या उनके दायरे में दे हैव देयर ऑडियंस बिकॉज ऑफ लैंग्वेज and the connection between the language and the music that they use and their puppets. When they come out, then there is a problem. हम रामायण जानते हैं, भाषा नहीं जानते from Tamil or from any other place. We might only see the form. What has happened is medium and the message is getting stratified. मतलब कि आप कितनी बार वो देखोगे, उसमें भी आपको कुछ प्रोडक्शन क्वालिटी मिलेंगी या बेटर प्रोडक्शन और बेटर टेक्स्ट, आई डो नॉट नो व्हाट. ये चीज़ जो चैलेंज है हमारे लिए भी है. सो ऑडियंस इज़ देयर, ऑडियंस इज़ ऑलवेज बिन देयर. व्हेन अब जो हमारा फेस्टिवल जो होता है 21 years next year, we have an audience, okay, urban audience in this case. When they come, we don't have enough sponsorship to put ads in newspapers or anything, and yet with the daily programs and all, we get almost a full house. लोग के मतलब इच्छा है कोई और चीज़ें देखनी, how puppets are used. Or due to this festival, puppetry has also opened up a little bit as a profession. Lots of young people are taking it up, hobby or teaching or things like that. ये भी हो रहा है आजकल थोड़ा सा.
शो के अलावा जो आप लोग क्रिएट थिएटर में इसका परफॉर्मेंस देते हैं, उसके अलावा स्कूलों में भी बच्चों के सामने भी वर्कशॉप्स भी मेरे ख्याल से आप लोग जा कर के देते हैं. किस तरीके के बच्चों के अंदर किस तरीके की लेके एंथू दिखता है, उनके अंदर एक्साइटमेंट दिखती है? और अगर एजुकेशन में हम इस पपेट आर्ट को इंक्लूड करें तो हाउ इट चेंजेस द माइंड ऑफ अ चाइल्ड, अ स्टूडेंट?
Very big change there would be. हमने आज अभी तक unfortunately in India we have not explored it as much as some other countries have done it. Even in Southeast Asia, Indonesia, other countries. हम हमेशा बोलते रहे हैं कि puppetry is a very good medium and it's very good to connect with children, blah blah blah. But it's still not been explored to its extent because कहीं छोटे पॉकेट्स में है. सेंटर फॉर कल्चरल रिसोर्सेज एंड ट्रेनिंग, देयर इज वर्कशॉप्स फॉर गवर्नमेंट स्कूल टीचर्स. कहीं और मैनी पपेटियर्स, उनकी रोजी रोटी भी वर्कशॉप से आती है, not so much from performances. Traditional puppeteers, yes, their performances, season, abhi chalenga sab season. But for modern puppeteers, it's a lot of workshops in schools, teachers, simple, अब बता रहा हूँ, pandemic के द्वार we were doing, Ishara was doing online workshops, Delhi, Gurgaon, Goa, Bombay, and there was a company in Gurgaon, and हमने एक puppet kit बनाया था. So you couldn't, आप बाहर जाके मटेरियल भी नहीं खरीद सकते थे बिकॉज ऑफ प्रॉब्लम इन पैंडेमिक. सो वी मेड दिस सिंपल मटेरियल्स, पुट इन अ लिटिल बॉक्स. Box was couriered, they registered, they paid, and they couriered the box to these people. And every Saturday they opened that box, one packet, and they made one type of puppet. But बच्चों के लिए था, so it worked pretty well. But it has to be taken forward. More things have to be done. हम बात बहुत करते हैं कि it's very good for education, it's very good, this should be there, that should be there. But it's not much happening. There are many programs I've seen in countries where you have educational puppet theatre for kids. और एक और भी चीज़ है, puppetry is not just for children. हम हमेशा सोचते कि बच्चों के लिए ही अच्छे. This is not. This story was not for children. It is for teenagers, grown up. Rumiana also was that. Amrita Shergill will also be for 8, 9 or 10-year-olds. So और ट्रेडिशनल पपेट्री ये नहीं है कि बच्चों ही देखते हैं या बूढ़े या बुजुर्ग भी देखते, सब लोग देखते हैं, पूरा फैमिली देखते हैं. इसलिए हमारी जो इशारा इंटरनेशनल फेस्टिवल में जो चॉइस होता है परफॉर्मेंसेस का फॉर फैमिली शोज, नॉट जस्ट सम आर मोर एडल्ट, सम आर मोर चिल्ड्रन, बट जनरली at least 2 or 3 adults come with one child in the show. So we have to play for both the levels. It's difficult, but yeah.
शो में जैसे जब कोई एक विदाउट पपेट जो नॉर्मल एक शो होता है, कैरेक्टर्स होते हैं ह्यूमन सब्जेक्टिव, उसमें एक्सप्रेशन सिखाए जाते हैं कि आपको यू हैव टू फील सर्टेन थिंग्स, इमोशंस, कैसे डील करना है, बॉडी लैंग्वेज। बट यहाँ तो पपेट ही सब्जेक्ट है, और जो पपेटियर है यानी जो उसको होल्ड कर रहा है, उसको भी वो कैसे आप समझाते हैं कि इस कैरेक्टर की अंडरस्टैंडिंग कैसे हो, उस पपेट की अंडरस्टैंडिंग कैसे हो, वो कैसे उसको डील करे? क्या उनके लिए भी कोई स्पेशल ट्रेनिंग होती है?
See, जो आपने पहले कहा कि मेरा फोकस इस पे जाता है, आप लेट्स से अगेन टॉकिंग सब्जेक्टिव एंड ऑब्जेक्टिविटी इन द थिंग, आप एक लेट्स टॉक अबाउट अ फिल्म स्टार, ओके, यू विल सी मे बी अ शाहरुख खान ऑन स्टेज। आप पहले शाहरुख खान को देखोगे, उसके बाद यू विल से कि दिस कैरेक्टर ही डिड वेरी नाइसली। It's his ego that will be there, his personality. Puppet में that is not there. Puppet speaks directly to you. मतलब जिस तरीके से बना है, जिस कलर्स है या जो भी यूज़ किया है, उससे आपको तुरंत उसकी कैरेक्टर या जो बोलने जा रहे हैं, puppet doesn't have any ego. That's why there is no human barrier there that is, stopping it. As I said, if you see a famous person on stage or you see any actor on stage, you will see, wow, he's done such a good role. But it's still the human factor is there. In the puppet, that is not there. Puppet speaks directly to you. और puppet बोल भी सकता है चीज़ें जो human being will not be able to say in the thing, because during the dictatorships in many European countries, puppets were in Czechoslovakia and Poland. Puppets, जो भाषा उनकी है, they kept it alive. They went underground and they become puppet heroes. When we were doing, बहुत साल हो गए अभी, 2022, 23, we were doing on HIV awareness and substance abuse using this medium, okay, and it was a UNESCO EU program, and it was a collaboration with Salam Balak Trust. Through that program, many of your modern puppeteers, 8 or 9 young people, were originally from SBT, not anymore, and they become puppeteers. As Delhi mein, they're working with companies at NSD. Usme, how I couldn't go to a school. Even now it's changed, but I couldn't go to a school, and I'm telling you that even fancy schools and talk about HIV awareness. What was awareness? Safe sex, blood, tested blood, mother to child, dekho ye, all these sort of things. I couldn't easily talk. If a live actor had done the same thing, it would be very, there would be a problem, especially about safe sex, gender issues. But with the puppet, we could say everything and the message got through, including in Nagaland when we went in Catholic schools where certain things, Joe, if you took out a rubber, a real one, okay, I'm not using the actual word, and in a school I showed that, you could not show it, but I could have a 6-foot foam condom puppet and it was allowed. So puppet has a certain thing in it, it can speak, and it's a puppet, but message gets very strongly through.
And also, आप puppet का इस्तेमाल उन topics के लिए भी कर सकते हैं जो to raise your voice, वो विरोध वाली चीज़ करने के लिए, कुछ ऐसे shows, कुछ ऐसे topics जो आपने किए हो जहाँ पर आपने एक rebel वाला cause select किया हो या फिर perform किया हो.
Yeah, जो एक puppeteer चलाता है, if he is giving his voice, in this case it was recorded because of mask, but इसमें the actors, or in Rumi also there are actors, then the actor has to play any roles, either वो एक इंसान के role में है या he's working this female puppet or a male puppet or a character, he has to be able to change his voice, he has to be able to move, so it's not easy. मतलब ऐसा लग रहा है कि हो जाता है, because actor, human being uses your own body, you're used to use it, but when you have to use something else and also keep control of your movements, it's not very easy. So that has to be learned, practice. इसमें आता है, that is something that you have to, it takes time, rehearses and you do it. और बहुत सारी चीज़ें we are only using with music with movement. I mean, our first performances with dance, 1987-88 was with the late Astad Debu, modern dancer. And it was with large puppets, big puppets, and the human being dancing. वहाँ से movement हमारे shows में. We did a lot of music. Here के वारिस started again text. Text के बाद Rumiana जो है वो that was in text. And Shahz Ahmad, he's also from NID, was an animator. He did the projections जो back में था, digital projection. Or it was in English, the text. And eventually through Spikmeki, we were, during G20, we were going to perform in the Srinagar University. So we translated the whole, transliterated में, so शायद कि हिंदुस्तानी में, and it's much better, it flows much better, and the actors when we do, in fact the actors now prefer to do it in Hindustani than English, but wherever we go, it depends, like if when you went to the Kerala
थोड़ा सा हिंदी
festival, it could not be in Hindustani, it happened in English, yeah.
सर थोड़ी सी रिक्वेस्ट है कि हिंदी जितनी ही हो उतनी ही इंक्लूड कर लें तो बेटर होगा क्योंकि फिर वो ऑडियंस शिकायत करेंगे कि
Right, yeah.
सबसे ज़्यादा चैलेंजिंग एक्सप्रेशन देना आपको कौन सा लगा है कि किस एक्सप्रेशन के साथ ट्रीटमेंट बहुत ज़्यादा मुश्किल था?
सबसे ज़्यादा एक्सप्रेशन पर वो कहानी पे होता है या कैरेक्टर पे होता है?
किस तरीके के इमोशंस, गुस्सा या फिर रोना?
It depends on I don't like puppets who do this. My puppets are not so, they don't do this. My puppets move like this. This is my style.
बहुत स्मूथ मूवमेंट
Yeah,
है।
और they emote, जो उनके emotions है, उसके जो सांस लेते हैं, उससे जान आती है मेरे puppets में, और ये ज़्यादा फोकस हमारे puppets technically बहुत ही simple है. They're not very this is just foam, legs, costume. They're not technically animatronics, but challenge मेरे इसमें है कि हम इंसान जो साथ है इनमें कैसे किस तरह और कैसे जान डाले. So that is the main thing, because it's not a happy figure. If the clown is different, I could do different things. But even with the clown, आप देख लीजिए, I'll show you. Even with this, it was in a circus performance. इसमें दो जन चलाते हैं because it's half human and half puppet, because I can use my own hands. Similarly on television, so I can use this cup, I can pick it up and use these things. It's different. But he's more this. But he can also be this. Oh. He can also be sad, though it's clown, But a clown doing that. This figure would be very different. If this figure had to do the same thing, it's puppet बनता है कहानी के और character के हिसाब से. उसका color, if this puppet was in dark colors, अलग, it would have a different thing. So if this is there, I can't do this, but it will have to be this. Right? So it depends. So puppeteer has to be a sculptor, has to be very observant, human nature, okay, has to be able to design, has to be able to move. Music and rhythm has to be very strong in a puppeteer. So ये चीज़ें आहिस्ते आहिस्ते आती है, मतलब it's not that tomorrow one becomes a puppeteer. So that,
आपको
और
कितना
इसमें आपने पूछा मुझे about visual communication. For me, the benefit of NID is here, about materials. जो नए लोग आते हैं, we are cutting with a saw, making this and that. They don't want to. They want to do it in 2 months, 1 month, get it all ready. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. काफ़ी टाइम लगता है एक परफॉर्मेंस बनाने. और क्या मटेरियल्स आपके पास है, बजट्स के, व्हाट आर द बजट्स टू यूज़ डिफरेंट मटेरियल, व्हाट इज़ एट हैंड, आप स्कल्पटिंग कैसे कर सकते हो, कॉस्ट्यूम्स, सिलाई, ऑल दैट. सो इफ़ आप वो हैंडल कर सकते हैं तो बहुत ही अच्छा है.
सबसे चैलेंजिंग शो अभी तक का आपके लिए कौन सा रहा, आपकी टीम के लिए?
चैलेंजिंग शो अभी जो आने वाला है अमृता शेरगिल will be. But most one of our most green shows, अनोखे वस्त्र and सत्य की प्रतिरूप, images of truth, I think 2000 and I can't remember, it was in 93, 94, I can't remember, 2000, IGNCA had commissioned Dr. Kapila Vatsa and har saal October, 2nd October, commission a performance on Mahatma Gandhi. So up to now, it was always traditional puppeteers, shadow puppeteers, or they were. So उन लोग एक picture book, they could make exact cutouts and shadow puppets. Shadow puppets are cutouts. Here is a simple cutout shadow puppet. If I can get a light, I will put it on the wall and I'll show you. So it was realistic. Gandhi gave this. जब वो आई हमारे इशारा में, so she said, can you do it in your style? I said, yes, but you will not interfere. She said, no, as long as you don't ridicule the person. I said, okay. And we use objects, masks, just a small puppet, actors, and music from all over the world. Or bhasha bina, no text. The only text that was there was quotations of Gandhi. The puppet imitates writing, और puppeteers audience को जाके देते हैं ये चीज़ें. It's one of our most performances. It's been all over the country, world, from football field in Greece to Iran, everywhere. Gandhi puppet show has gone. Yeah, Southeast Asia. So that has been a interesting thing, because क्योंकि हमारा जो treatment था वो एक अलग रीत से किया गया था. ये नहीं कि ये this is right, this is wrong. Normally that is what. And when you go to a school also and you speak about Mahatma Gandhi, it's always हाँ मैं जानते ये हुआ वो हुआ, and you know, but we did it flashback, flash forward, and yeah, it was a visual theatre performance.
इस पपेट शो आपका एक मोड है जिसके थ्रू आप उन कहानीज को नरेट करते हैं, बट आज के टाइम में जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं, जो बच्चे हैं, जो स्कूल में जा रहे हैं, उनके लिए सिर्फ एक परफॉर्मिंग आर्ट का एक असाइनमेंट बन के ना रह जाए. किस तरीके से हम उनकी लाइफ में इसको एक्चुअली इस तरीके से ऐड करें कि एक वैल्यू एडिशन हो, कि ह्यूमन क्वालिटी की तरह ऐड करे, उनका होराइजन बढ़े, चीज़ों को देखने का नज़रिया बदले. What are your recommendations, suggestions?
100% puppetry for a live audience or an adult audience, but puppetry for children and with children are two different things. Because workshops में you make puppets with young people, okay? You make a story, उन लोग खुद बनाते हैं puppets, simple puppets, not something like this. और best part ये जब होता है, जब puppets बनाते हैं बच्चे, तब they start with discussing things which are nothing to do with the puppetry, but about life, about this, about that. It's very interesting. Everywhere जहाँ भी मैंने ये किया है, आप एक चीज़ छेड़ते हो, they forget themselves and they start working while working on the making. उनका मतलब मन और क्या मन है, और then you interact, how you would interact with them. बच्चे जब puppet चलाते हैं, not this sort of puppet कि आप दिखाई दे रहे, but over a screen, वो खुद अपने आप को भूल जाते हैं. So inhibited children, problems with voice, आप बाहर बैठ के puppet को question पूछोगे, not to the child, and the child will speak through the puppet. So these are things which I remember in Stockholm, which we used to use. We can, बहुत सारी चीज़ें यहाँ होती है, सारे लोग कोई है जो use करते हैं, teachers or some puppeteers and some, but not so much. There has to be much. Aaj you come into 8th, 9th standard and then it's career. So afterwards, where are you going to do art? My school in Pune, Bishop School, we did art classes, you know, theatre. Har 2 mahine mein something was called scratch concert, that anybody could get onto stage and perform, do what you wanted. So if something like that is encouraged, but क्यों करेंगे parents? Parents want to be doctors, lawyers, this, that, and even me, when I did when I last year in NID I took leave of absence and went to ISRO. You're doing this course, film now, and then I finished. I didn't go back to NID. Then puppetry became a
आपने बीच में ही
profession.
छोड़
Yeah,
दिया?
then it became a profession. So then, no, but अब कैसे होगा, क्या होगा? Then okay, we'll support you, thankfully. Jump into water, पानी में कूदो, then you swim. Don't blame us if something goes wrong. Then it's your decision. So, but the support was there. Not everywhere you can get that support. So that is, but this challenge came from SBT kids. They did it. They made they made their life. They've got apartments. They're married. They've got children. Some of them with puppetry.
SBT
आसान
kids?
नहीं है, but they've done it.
SBT kids?
Salam Balak Trust.
Okay.
Salam Balak Trust is now what, more than 25, 30 years old. Was initiated in the inner city at the railway station by when the movie Salam Bombay happened, Meera Nair's film about street kids. And from there, it's got centers in Delhi, girls center, boys center. Many, every day there are children coming to the railway station, you know, who either left their homes, violence, whatever, and then all the things that go through. The trust tries to give them a shelter. If they're interested in education, now mostly education, school, and जो SBT बहुत सारा influence ये करते हैं on art, on performance or internships. If the child or young person shows an interest, they try to send them to different places. So that's how, that is where we start. Yeah.
आपके जब रिसर्च के लिए बात की जा रही थी, आपके बारे में जानकारी निकाली जा रही थी, तो आपके साथ काम करने वाले एक जो आपके कोलीग हैं, उन्होंने कहा है कि आपसे पूछा जाए कि आपको डिज़ाइनर्स और आर्किटेक्ट्स का नाइटमेयर क्यों कहा जाता है?
नाइटमेयर, नीरज सहाय ने बोला होगा ये, हाँ, बिकॉज आई सी समथिंग एंड artistic liberty. So I said, Neeraj, but something wrong here. It's not practical, this thing. So that is where he said, yeah, you always. I don't know. Maybe because you design something, especially with architecture, human beings are going to use it. Industrial design, people are going to use it. So then you notice something, you say, but you always do this, and everything comes down to the floor. Yeah, that's what he said. He's one of our main, Neeraj and Pallavi, their connection again to NID, jo all our graphic design for our festivals, our posters and folders, they do. So, mujhe pasand hai, I like to work with people who I work. Someone new comes in and there may be a problem, but then in the next production, I also like to work with the same person. It's not that, you just change each time, because then you develop an understanding. Rumiana met 3 major persons, again through the pandemic. Shahaz Ahmad, they're all juniors. NID, he's a very good animator. He teaches at IID. Sandeep Pillai lives in Bangalore. Bangalore mein rehta hai. Or industrial design, he worked with Titan. He's chucked it. He composes music now. So he composed the music, So then the actors came in. 2 new people first time, and now those same people are working with us in the other productions. So that's dancers. They always want to try something new, and शायद उनको एक quick fresh cheese मिल रही है, how to use dance or things like that. That's how we carry on.
ओके, सो अब मैं पीछे अपने न्यूज़ रूम के कुछ साथी हैं, उन लोगों के लिए फ्लोर दूंगी. वो कुछ क्वेश्चंस उनके मन में वो पूछते हैं, हम फिर वापस आ जाएंगे. I was watching one of your workshops where you tell people to you give an object and ask people कि बताओ ये क्या है. कि do you see a man or a woman in a bag? I would like to do that here as well. कि कोई एक object दे करके when you ask people.
Yeah.
You're going to ask that to me?
No. Again, gender, that comes back to the issues when we did the HIV awareness stories. And how do you talk about gender issue, male, female, male, female? With actors, you couldn't do it. With puppets also, if I had a facial thing, it would be difficult. So we had puppets which were faceless, no expression. But for instance, at that time, the Pyar Kiya To Darna Kya, that was a song. So that was with animating these 2 puppets. message got through that yeah, they're two human beings. We were not saying that this is man or this is woman or whatever. So that way, this is a look. These are practice puppets, glove puppets. इसमें कोई character नहीं है, because it's just pink. But when we the movement, this is where we come with the, you know, movement. If I put a face, already एक और level आ गया. If I walk, okay. If I sit, I can't do this or this. If I sit, human movement, 1, 2, 3, 4, sitting, or 1, 2, 3, 4, getting up and focus. Where it's looking, what it's doing. I will show you something else.
Please.
But I can only do it if there is some छोटा सा screen here or a board or something. है कुछ that you can
थोड़ा सा किस तरीके
something. I have to do it over something. कुछ है? Do you have some whiteboard? Yeah. Now see what I'm doing. This is the essence of puppetry. What I'm showing you now. Give me your shoe. आपका जूता दो, if not his shoe. Give it quickly. Okay? This is a shoe. Now you're talking of what you were asking me. It's a shoe. I have to give it character. मुझे उसमें कोई जान डालनी है, उसमें character डालना है. Who can this be? Without आँख, nose है, कौन हो सकता है? बताइए. At the back. Who can it be? If I have to give the shoe character, who can it be? Let's make it simple. Male or female? Male. How many say male? Oh, okay. How many say female?
Gender neutral.
Only 1, 2. More male. Why?
Because it's a male shoe.
Sorry, louder.
Because it's a male shoe. Male
Why?
wearing shoe.
Why? This is what I'm asking you now.
Because
a male wears it.
Yes,
But females also wear it.
No, it's not unisex. It's
What आपको
oriented
क्यों
shoe.
लग रहा है कि ये is masculine? This is the main thing. This is what we do in schools when I
Because
work
it
with
is a
puppetry.
gender-oriented object
Huh.
and it's only wears male
Okay.
only wears that.
What happens in this is I ask because generally same thing. It will be male or it will be dark color. If the same shoe was another color, anybody's got a spotty shoe with another color, brighter color, not black or brown.
थोड़ा light
Yeah,
color.
see, bring it here. See what happens now. Okay. It's different. It's still maybe male, but it's still different because the color has changed its character. Okay, so juxtaposition.
Yeah.
कहते. Now give me yours. Huh. Now this is obvious maybe because now there are two things. Now get the board. I will animate something and you tell me what happens. Now this is essence of puppet theatre, ABCD, not all this other stuff, okay? Now watch how the puppet moves, where the puppet's looking at, क्या जान है उसमें, क्या कहना जा रहे हम. Simple, without any backup, no sound, no text. Okay. What happened in this story?
वो
What
मनाने की
happened?
कोशिश
Don't think of the people who are wearing the shoe. What happened in this story? Huh?
वो कुछ मनाने की कोशिश कर रहा
जी.
था.
हाँ. Now, मैंने एक कदम आगे लिया है कहानी में और आपने कहानी में एक कदम वहाँ और तब उसमें जान आई. आपका जो एक्सपीरियंस है वो आप इस कहानी में डाल रहे हो. मैं जो कहना जा रहा हूँ ऑलमोस्ट द सेम. दिस इज़ व्हाट पपेट्री इज़ कि कटोरा में आप मेरा इमोशन डालते हैं 5 मिनट के लिए पपेट और आप ऑडियंस भी. इफ़ यू जस्ट शेक एंड जस्ट डू समथिंग डजंट गेट थ्रू. सेम स्टोरी जो बच्चों के साथ इफ़ आई डू इट Okay, in schools we do this. It would be mother and he's late and this. Teenagers ke saath, either it is she's waiting for him and he's come late and she's angry, or it's Eve teasing. If I do it with adults, it is husband and wife. Now, why is that so? मैंने कुछ कहा नहीं, but it is your imagination in the story. But if you saw puppet में कुछ था नहीं, costume, आँख भी नहीं था, but there was focus. ये shoe was vertical and it was looking. This shoe was this way and it was looking. So I created that. So बहुत पहले Shri Ram Center, Sutradhar Puppet Theatre में we did a whole story with shoes. गाँव से एक shoe दिल्ली में आता है बस स्टॉप से, वो उतरता है, और all different languages, ये वो, all these problems happen. It was a Punjabi juta. The dhaba wala was a Punjabi juta, and there was a juda on top. Minorities Commission wrote to us that how can you put a juda on top of a shoe? But we said, see the whole show, because वो जामा मस्जिद जाता है जूता, तो वहाँ मकबल की slippers are doing namaz. It was a whole story. आखिरी में वो गांव छोड़ के आता है और उससे क्या क्या होता है, मतलब city में. Then he goes back, which normally doesn't always happen. But we used shoes with very little embellishment. You know, stilettos, smoking, but just rods to move the shoe. It was very popular. Or एक performance, circus performance, only with umbrellas, chhata, and music, and then little bit of embellishment. These were more creative things, you know. This is Z of puppetry. This is the ABCD, what I did.
पपेट्री की हम बात करते हैं तो अल्टीमेटली एक फैक्ट निकल के आता है कि वी आर ऑल पपेट्स ऑफ समवन एंड समथिंग. तो ये पपेट्री जो है वो किससे इंस्पायर्ड है? हमसे इंस्पायर्ड है या हम पपेट्री से इंस्पायर्ड है?
I think दोनों, the human being is making the puppet, right? जो traditional puppeteer would be worshipping his puppets. मतलब उसके लिए वो देवता है, puppet, and they would do a puja. I don't do it. It's different. So जैसे कहते हैं ना कि the word, शब्द, सूत्रधार. सूत्रधार हमारा संस्कृत थिएटर में is the narrator, the person who guides the story live. And where is it word come from? Maybe from puppetry, सूत और धार, कहानी की धार, और सूत is cotton thread, maybe. So puppeteers also say, wow, सूत्रधार has come from puppetry. Then you have antaryami, the shabd, okay, word. So that is also there. Somebody is guiding or crowing, and it is your thinking. But ये तो है कि हम, what is this right now? बिल्कुल बेजान है ये. It's dead. लकड़ी है और पप्पे माशे, थर्मोकोल, whatever इसमें है, कुछ नहीं है. It is a dead figure, okay? Puppets die very nicely also. It's dead. इसमें कोई चीज़ नहीं है, पड़ा है. But if I have to, then I am the Sutradhar or the Antaryami. I am giving her life. I am giving this puppet life. And I am emoting through the puppet what I want the puppet to say. Okay, so it's both ways, I think, but जिसमें जो है, definitely there is a power of puppet जो आपको खींचता है. It's a theatre of the dead. मतलब इसमें जान नहीं है, but दो वो 10 willing suspension की जो बात की, why do you think this is alive when you know it is not alive? I am working it behind it. बट स्टिल आपका वो उसमें एक खींच है, पावर है पपेट में. वो छोटा पपेट होता है, वो लिटिल पपेट, और इवन यू नो बिग पपेट्स, इट देयर इज अ पावर, देयर इज देयर, एंड दैट पावर यू कैन आई मेक अ स्टोरी व्हाटएवर, बट बेसिकली पपेट कैसे आप चलाते हो उस पे है. और character also gives. The traditional Rajasthani puppet has a character, or the shadow puppeteers in Andhra Pradesh have a character. If you put a phone, somebody's phone is on, give me your light. You can't get too much because it needs a larger screen. So this is a shadow puppet. Screen, human beings are in front, light source, you know. So this is a technique also. So matlab ki all over southern India you have made from leather. आप जो craft fairs में मेले में देखते हो आंध्र प्रदेश के colored lamps, puppets, this is cut out from paper. We use acrylic, glass colors, सब चीज़ें.
आपके पपेट्री से किसी की फीलिंग हर्ट हुई है कभी? कभी ऐसा मोमेंट आया कि उन्होंने कहा कि आप ये कहानी कैसे दिखा सकते हैं? जैसे भी आपने एक सेंटेंस यूज किया था कि हम जामा मस्जिद पे एक नमाज पढ़ते हुए जूते को दिखा देते हैं, आपने अभी बताया था ना?
गिविंग अ रेफरेंस जहां पर आपने उस शू को कुछ ऐसे सर पे पगड़ी दिखाने के लिए
तो ऐसे ही क्या कभी किसी ने आपका परफॉर्मेंस देखा और उसके बाद कहा कि आपने ये गलत किया है, इससे हमारे सेंटिमेंट हर्ट्स होते हैं?
Okay. That incident जो happened, and let me tell you who was the person on the screen when this discussion was going on. Vinod Dua late. He was our first scriptwriter. He was our first puppeteer in Sri Ram Center, 1980, for 6 months. I said, I can't work with puppets. I'm leaving. I want to do farming. But उसमें क्या हुआ कि you saw one thing. You saw एक scene उन्होंने देखा. उन्होंने पूरी कहानी नहीं देखी because पूरी कहानी में every community was there. ऐसा कुछ हुआ नहीं है. Yes, when we did the Images of Truth, the Gandhi performance in South Africa, we performed in Pietermaritzburg, we performed in this jail where he was locked up, and we performed in the Apartheid one museum, and children came to see it. And in एक scene में जो है, 2 clowns are there. One is a white clown, not like this, but white face, and one is a dark brown clown. Or 2 of them are it's like a circus scene, are wanting to उनको एक मेज है, table है. They won't want the place. The brown, white one is shrinking. This was for me the brown one, dark brown one was color. Okay, generic color, not the white. But there they said no, there is black as well. So then you see that those are things I didn't think about. I said no, you are only thinking about your brown skin, not us. We are not even that, and that was not thought about here. They brought out questions that even he was privileged in some parts. So there's this line again. आप बोलेगा हम ये है, हम वो है. What is Indian? I'll give you an example. Color. Look at us. Everybody is of a different color. I go with my Brazilian friends to Humayun's tomb one day, last year, 2 years ago. So first question to me is, I go to the Indian counter because that is my counter, cheaper that. No, but Indian hoka. I'm speaking to you in Hindi. So nahi aap, then I show my ID card, that makes it okay. You buy the ticket. फिर हम go to that counter and that lady says, no, आप गलत I started yelling at her. I said, आपके मन में क्या है? यहाँ सब लोग जो आ रहे हैं अंदर, कोई ऐसे है, कोई ऐसे है, कोई ऐसे तो आपको यही दिखाई दे रहा है और कुछ नहीं. How do you identify? कैसे कर रहे हो आप? It is a big problem. It is a question. And you can't blame that person, but when you are in it, you get irritated. I said, and that poor police lady, she was a collector. I said, आप देखो इसमें यहाँ इतने सारे लोग हैं जिसके, और they are Indians. Why are you thinking that just because one is fair or one is this is not Indian? This is I don't know what is the mindset. क्या होता है पता नहीं. Or this whole division. These things come in, and this also can be talked in schools when we are using objects. When you're using the black. I've never done that. Maybe next time I'll ask what is the religion of this bag, is black, is white. I don't know what they will say. But इससे मन खुलता है बच्चों के, और आप डिस्कशन कर सकते हो, आप खोल सकते हो मन, और कुछ नहीं कर सकते हो. घर जाके और कुछ होगा.
हेलो सर, अगर मुझे पपेट्री में करियर बनाना है तो मेरा रोड मैप क्या होना चाहिए?
जी, आई थिंक इट्स अ रोड मैप इज किसी भी कला में इट इज़ नॉट ईजी. It is not easy. Mostly now people, they go for dance or something like that, or Bollywood dance is very popular, but you have to make your own रास्ता. It's not easy. एक चीज़ मुश्किल है हमारा हिंदुस्तान भारत में, we don't have schools of puppetry. traditional puppeteers family, अभी वो family भी नहीं सीखने जा रहे, so they're taking outside communities to teach. But we don't have training schools, university. Iran has 3 universities that teaches puppetry. Can you imagine? Nobody knows. Connecticut University has a puppet course, somebody else has. So यहाँ वर्कशॉप से करते हैं हम. यूनिमा वर्ल्ड पपेट बॉडी का नेशनल सेंटर है. वी डू मेंटरशिप्स 2 weeks where young people come together out of the city, stay with a traditional or a modern puppeteer and do something. और हम लोग एक कोशिश कर रहे हैं एक फाउंडेशन कोर्स. ऑलरेडी एक once has happened 2-3 years ago. That was a 2-month course, and we were about 10 people who started. They came from art, theatre, animation. मेरी जो एक वर्कशॉप थी जयपुर में किए थे, what was for a 2-week workshop for youth, मतलब जो young people of traditional performing puppeteers. So they came from Bengal, from Assam, from Kerala, Maharashtra. They wanted to learn new material, कैसे use करें हम, new colors, projection, lights, how to incorporate these in our show. So उनकी इतनी इच्छा थी, and they don't get exposure, and we don't have that. So that was the thing. Then there is a question, क्या आप उसको आपके tradition को बदल रहे हो, ये कर रहे हो? They said, but we want to learn. It's coming from us. We want to try new material. We want to try, why should only privilege be of urban puppeteers that they can do, not us, because we come from the interior. So most young people today are the first traditional puppeteer, Kerala, Tolpavakutu family, Pullavar family of traditional ritual shadow puppet family. The young boy has now done graduation in Connecticut in puppetry. He's there now. I don't know if he's going to come back and work with his grandparents or what, his parents, but he's the first traditional puppeteer, young man who went out. He was in Jamia Mascom for some time, and then he went to Connecticut to do something in research. So that's interesting to see what will he do now. Well, another traditional, and it's coming mostly from the south. Let me tell you, shadow puppeteer, he's tried animatronics. So big question, shadow puppet working with motors. So I said, आप अभी human being को निकाल रहे हो puppeteer के रोजी रोड. He says, no, we are experimenting with the IIT to make it for exhibitions. Like at the airport, because it's Kerala and the shadow puppets, I can't have human being continuously doing it. So it's a motorized thing. So that, but they're trying things. So मतलब most when we are doing during pandemic, the best awareness videos of mask came from traditional some puppeteers who made films on their mobiles. They did it from Tripura, from here, from the. I'm sorry to say that our state governments never used it properly. They made fantastic edited things on little mobiles. And ये चीज़ें जो encourage नहीं होती है तो क्या we keep saying it's very important, but that is where, and they had not learned filmmaking or something. They knew their own art, but they made little things. I don't know how they edited it, on what program, but they did it, and they were 15-10-minute little programs, and some where they were used, they never got paid. बहुत ही अच्छा है आपने काम किया ये कर. So art is also another thing, it's not easy, yeah. Thank you.
नहीं एक आखिरी क्वेश्चन है
हाँ,
मेरे पास. जस्ट बिकॉज आपने कहा कि मेरे पास सवाल खत्म हो गए. नहीं, सवाल बहुत हैं, लेकिन आपको शायद टाइम की पाबंदी.
It's okay. Don't put it on me. I am okay.
ओके फाइन. हैदर में जो बिस्मिल गाना है,
बिस्मिल is the song.
हाँ, बिस्मिल गाना है, उसमें जो 2 बड़े पपेट्स यूज हुए हैं, वो आप
2
लोगों की
ये वाला है,
यही है.
2 पपेट ये है और एक बहुत ही ऊंचा
बीच
पपेट
में,
है जो
सेंटर
बीच
में
में है. See, ये कैसे शुरू हुआ? And in 2014, Vishal Bharadwaj was invited to direct an opera in Paris, Théâtre du Châtelet, The Flowering Tree. रामानुजन की एक कहानी है जो गिरीश कर्नाड I think has used it. Challavi film has been made also. and that is made into a fantastic opera by John Williams, a very minimalist composer. He's the lyrics and the music is. So he was invited by this company in Paris to direct this opera. The company said, we don't want Kathakali, we don't want Naach, Gana, we want something totally minimal because of the thing, but something different. So Vishal thought he wanted to use puppets, this, that. He wanted a choreographer. So I said, there is this interesting person who's from here, from Faridabad, so now lives in Norway. 6 foot tall, he was a gymnast and then became a chow dancer, Sudesh Adana. And we had worked on a piece, transpose head, Thomas Mann ki kahani hai. So he was a dancer, he did this thing with us. He then left and he lives in Norway and he's become like famous in his very physical dance, very all movement. So I said, Vishal said, we want somebody different, otherwise we'll take the same. So I said, see his work. And Vishal liked his work, and then Sudesh came to choreograph that opera. At the same time, he was working on the film Haider, okay? And he saw puppets, how we use, and he says, in this one scene, theatre within a theatre, where Hamlet or this fellow tells his mother, kya hua, I want to use puppets. So that's how that piece. And then again, he used Sudesh to do the choreography. If you see, it's totally not Bollywood choreography. And it won the award for that choreography that year. So that was how it started. We were shooting in -20 early morning, 6 baje, 5 baje, gaadi, your cars would get frozen. We'd come, and by afternoon, midday, the sun had gone. But if you see the making of that song, you'll see lots of people all around. There was so much power in the star that गांव से सब लोग आके खड़े रहे थे देखने के लिए. They had to be incorporated in the film then. So that is how that thing started. That was a Haider movie, and he used puppets to tell that story. So, and this huge puppet which moves and comes down and throws, yeah. So that was an interesting thing we did. And our first, my God, ages ago when Pepsi came to India, it was Pepsi era, ERA, and the Pepsi was using Muppets for their ads things, and Muppets were not being leased from America, so Shumantro Ghoshal, we made the ads for Mirinda Orange because Mirinda was for kids, but it wasn't eventually in India for kids. And we did these Muppet ads. And then Pepsi became Pepsi Era because they had to another name. I don't know what, Leher Pepsi ho gaya tha phir. That to shoot again. And we had used puppets for the ad films. So after that, not many ads have used puppets or that way. For us, also it was first time of using for ad films, 30-second ads, 1 minute, yeah.
एड्स तो लिमिटेड हो ही गए हैं, जो स्क्रीन पे भी हम लोगों को पपेट्स दिखाई देते थे पहले, जो मुझे अपना बचपन याद है, मेरे को फिर भी कुछ शोज या कुछ गाने या सिनेमा, इवन फॉर कॉमेडी शोज, जो उस टाइम पे स्टैंड अप कॉमेडीज में आई रिमेंबर कि स्टैंड अप कॉमेडियन वो एक साथ में अपने एक स्टैचू लेके आते थे. हाँ,
you had the morning show on Doordarshan, G Sahab, which used to be always, Puran Bhatt used to work that puppet long ago in the morning show, a puppet and the anchor. So yeah, but it depends now, they don't. Ask the audience, ask the people who make it.
Why? मतलब मेरा सवाल ही वही है कि आपने क्या चीज नोटिस की? You are, because आपने कहा आप observant है. You must have an answer.
No idea. I wish they would use more. I do not know. I can't say. But the director, like when Vishal came, he was looking for something more. He was not looking for the same thing. So maybe that is the thing. It is the director who wants to look for something and he sees that there is an opportunity to try out something, or उसमें से कहानी शायद उसमें better होता है. I don't know. So, but ये आप as you said, Gully Gully Simpson is worked on Sesame Street, और बहुत सारे इंडिया में it's closed, but still in Pakistan and Bangladesh it's still running their versions. I don't know why. Here it's all your channels and whatever, but Hu and Ha, which I spoke about, the Hu by Ha by the ISRO show, we had almost 30 80 programs. It was the most popular program because it was something else, black and white TV. और कभी-कभी इतना sense, it would be so critical about certain things that गाँव में it was a community viewing set. तो वो बोले कि please आप ज़्यादा मत बोलिए because मुखी would take out the fuse of the TV because it was going against certain things, you know. So the power is there to use it, but then how you use it, up to you. क्या कर सकते हो आप? Traditional है या modern है is not such a problem. With traditional puppets also you can. Indonesia does very good things with traditional shadow puppets, very beautiful things. So that is what, yeah.
किसी भी प्रोफेशन में रहने के लिए, उसको एक इतना बड़ा मुकाम बनाने के लिए, इंटरनेशनल प्लेटफॉर्म बनाने के लिए, यू नीड मनी.
Yes.
How are things with you?
Give us money. Huh? You're filling up your time with me, huh? No, it's you need. Look, this is the challenge. How do I work? It is challenging, but as I said, those young people from SBT today with great difficulty are living. Okay, some of our puppeteers are working in the new Red Fort Sound and Light show. It has got huge puppets that we had made. Royston Abel was the original director of it from South. He came. Then it changed a lot and now it's more dancers. He said very interesting. He said monument is so strong that मैं उसमें human beings रख रहा हूँ तो it becomes like a leela, you know, small running. We made huge tall puppets and all, but the sponsor then had issues and Royston left, and now the first part, the introduction and Mughal part, is done with 16 feet puppets, 17 feet puppets, and these young people are working there. They got work immediately after. It's कब कितने साल हो गए? 2 साल हो गए अभी चल रहा है वो. They're doing so. It's not easy. You have to. Yes, as I said, I had the support family from them coming. That happened, but everybody doesn't. But still, people do make. You know, they do that. I mean, that's up to you. कितना आप कर सकते हो, कितना नहीं कर सकते हो. How? Eventually, you have to balance your life, and even with us, as I said, हमारा productions और performances साल में इतने नहीं होता है. रूमी का play एक साल में 12-13 shows हो गए थे. Other shows are not once in a while we get, but workshops, training programs, इसमें काफ़ी चीज़ें आती है. So that is there. The academy, Sangeet Natak Academy used to have a national puppet festival, अलग-अलग cities में. It's not happened for some time now. So there is some things. Traditional puppeteers in the south have a lot. They say that we perform sometimes 100-200 shows in a year because we get lots of festival season में और उनका एक दायरा होता है. So in the family, I have to travel and this is my region. These are my villages. I can perform. You can't come in. Then you share it. You can even sell it. Your idea. That also that happens. So ये भी होता है. और उनके घर बार है, लैंड है. यहाँ नॉर्थ में राजस्थान का सिटी इज़ नॉट वेरी गुड स्टिल. शादीपुर डेपो दे स्टिल वेटिंग फॉर देयर हाउसेस टू बी बिल्ड. उन लोग ट्रांजिट कैंप में है. बट दूसरे प्लेसेस में उनकी जायदाद है या ज़मीन है या छोटे घर है. Some of them have built houses, pakka houses, and now started training programs. So they've seen the Maharashtra में पिंगुली सावंतवाड़ी district में they've started a homestay puppeteers and they've started with their puppets, food, a small museum. So they're all thinking of, because the tourist buses go from there to Goa, so the people stop. So that way there are things होना चाहिए ज़्यादा हो सकता है, but आसान नहीं है.
So on that note, sir, आज का सेशन यहीं पर ख़त्म करना पड़ेगा, बोल रही हूँ मैं.
काफ़ी अंग्रेजी, सॉरी.
कोई दिक्कत नहीं.
मिक्स गुजराती इन इट.
थोड़ी सी जिम्मेदारी ऑडियंस पर दे देते हैं.
मदर टंग, हाँ.
थोड़ी सी जिम्मेदारी ऑडियंस पर भी दे देते हैं कि वो समझेंगे कि क्या कहना चाह रहे थे, क्या चीज़ कम्युनिकेट करने की कोशिश की जा रही थी, जैसा पपेट के थ्रू होता है, जो मेन उसका मकसद है. हम सभी से एक रिक्वेस्ट यही होगी कि इस कला को मरेगी नहीं, जिंदा रहेगी, बट हमारे हिसाब से जो हम अपनी तरफ से कंट्रीब्यूशन दे सकते हैं उसमें शरीक होके, उसका दर्शक बन के, वो हम देने की कोशिश करेंगे. बाकी आज के एपिसोड में इतना ही. देखते रहिए दी ललन टॉप. शुक्रिया.